ready to unlock the power of your data and transform it into actionable insights. Let's dive into how to seamlessly load data from your databases into Qlik Sense, step by step. First, open the Qlik Sense Hub. Click on the Create New App button located on the right side of the Qlik Sense Hub interface. Name your application and click Create Next. Open your newly created app. This will take you to the data loading screen. Now, click on the Data Load Editor button. This opens the scripting environment where we define our data connections and extraction logic. In the Data Load Editor, click on the Create New Connection button. A new dialog box appears, displaying various database connectors. Here, you'll see a list of available database connectors. Select the appropriate connector for your database type, such as SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, or PostgreSQL. Configure the connection settings by providing the necessary details like server name, database name, username, and password. Make sure to test your connection to confirm it is successful before proceeding. Now, write your load script using the load statement to specify the data you want to extract. Use select queries to retrieve specific tables and columns. You can also apply filters and transformations within your script. Once your script is ready, click on the Run Script button. Qlik Sense will then connect to your database, execute your script, and load the data into the application's memory. Finally, switch to the Qlik Sense Sheet view and start building your visualizations. Drag and drop fields to create charts, graphs, and tables, and explore your data with interactive selections and drill downs. Now you are on your way to building interactive dashboards using your database.